Okay, ready for the second part? Okay, we're going to revise the possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns show that someone owns something or possesses something. Possessive pronouns are my, your, her, his, its, our, their, and also mine, yours, hers, his, its, ours, and theirs. Now, what is the difference between these possessive pronouns here and these possessive pronouns here? The pronouns my, your, his, her, its, our, your, and their, they stand in front of the noun. The noun follows them. Sometimes there is an adjective between them, but the noun is following them. For example, this is my book. This is your pen. We will go to his house. I will take her present with me. Uh, um, can you come to our house and I will help your sister? And there, this is their classroom. So these pronouns, possessive pronouns, are followed by the nouns. The nouns follow them. These pronouns stand alone. What is following them is usually comma or period, question mark, exclamation mark, or a linking verb. So these pronouns stand alone. There is no noun following them. Let's see. Circle the possessive pronouns in each sentence. There are many kinds of rocks in my neighborhood. Where is the pronoun? My. Your walls are floors and floors are made of rock. Where is the possessive pronoun? Your. The cement in our driveway comes from rocks. Where is the pronoun? Our. Mr. Ferguson used limestone walls in his house. Where is the pronoun? His. Mrs. Ray used marble floors in hers. Where is the possessive pronoun? Hers. Their color is pale gray. Where is the possessive pronoun? Their. Now you have to choose which pronoun you will use. The one with the noun or the one that stands alone. Rocks help us learn how our earth or ours earth has changed. Word earth. Is it a noun? Yes, it is. That means which one we will use? Our or ours? The one without S. Our earth. We can see how animals looked from its fossils or their fossils. You have two different possessive pronouns. You have to ask yourself, is it one animal or many animals? Because it stands for one and they stands for many. We can see how animals, many animals, this is singular because it is singular, and they, or possessive, their, it's plural. So, which one we will use? Their fossils. Plural, with plural noun, plural possessive pronoun. Chad and Jenny went to a cliff near their house or theirs house. The word house, is it a noun? Yes, it is. So, which pronoun we use with the noun their or theirs? Their. The cliff had many rocks against its side or its side. Possessive noun or contraction? Possessive pronoun, sorry, not noun, pronoun. Jenny had a rock hammer in her or hers backpack. Backpack, is it a noun? Yes, it is. So, her backpack or hers backpack? Her backpack. Chad said, my or mine first rock is marble. Here we have a adjective and followed by a noun. So we're talking about the rock. What will you say? My rock or mine rock? My rock is marble. Chad put 7 rocks in his bag or hers bag. You have to choose. His is for the boy and hers is for the girl. And Chad is a boy, so his bag. And we cannot use hers because bag is a noun. Hers is the one that stands alone. Jenny put 9 rocks in her or hers. What follows it? Period. So which pronoun we will use which stands alone without the noun? Her or hers? Hers. All the rocks were there or theirs. What follows the pronoun? Period. So which one stands alone with a period? There or theirs? Theirs. Can you find rocks in your neighborhood or yours neighborhood? Neighborhood, is this a noun? Yes, it is. It's a place. So which pronoun stands within a noun? Your neighborhood or yours neighborhood? Your. And the last lesson, we're going to contractions. Contractions are formed when you put 2 words together. And you take some letters out and replace them with something that we call apostrophe. I want you to have a look at this one, but before, at the first one. When you have pronoun I and am, you take the letter A away and replace it with apostrophe and write I am. But I want to go clearly to this ones because here are the words that are coming second. You always change the words and take the letters out from the words that come second. Here are the words. Will. If you joining a pronoun with word will, you take W and I away and replace it with the apostrophe. When you joining pronoun with word have, you take letter A and H and A away and replace it with apostrophe. When you joining pronoun with the linking verb is, you take the letter I away and replace it with apostrophe. When you joining linking verb, the verbs, helping verbs with word not, you take the letter O away and replace it with apostrophe. When you joining pronouns with a linking verb are, you take the letter A away, replace it with apostrophe. And sometimes we will use also the word would, or maybe you will have it in the test. If you have linking verb would, please, you have to take all of these letters away, W-O-U-L, and replace them with apostrophe. So, when you, and there is one more, M, they did not add M. When you have linking verb M joining with I, you take the letter A away and replace it with apostrophe. So when you joining with word will, you take W and I away, replace it with apostrophe. Have, take away H and A, replace it with apostrophe. Is, take the I away, replace it with apostrophe and join the words. Not, take the O away, replace it with apostrophe. Are, take the A away, replace it with apostrophe. Would, W-O-U-L will go away and replace with apostrophe. Am, take the A away, replace it with apostrophe. I will show you on some examples here. I am. The first word always stays the same. I will copy the first word, I. You taking the letters away only from the second words. Am. Which letter do I take away? A. Replace it with apostrophe, and copy am. I am. You have the contraction done. He is, always copy the first word. The first word in the contraction does not have any change. You will take away from the second word, is. Which letter do we take from linking verb is? I. Replace it with apostrophe and copy what is left. S. His. We are. One more time. First word we always copy in the contraction. First word has no change. R. We take the letter away from R. Which letter do we take away? A, and replace it with apostrophe. Copy what is left. R and E. They have. First word stays always the same. So copy word they. Now we will add have. Which letter do we take from have away? H and A. Replace them with apostrophe and copy what is left. V and E. Dave. Does and not. First word, again, you have to copy. Does will not have anything changed. You take the letter out from the word not. Which letter you will take away? O. So we need to add N to the word does. And then we will put apostrophe. And then what is left? T. And the last one, she will. Copy the first word. First word has never any changes in the contraction. The changes are made in the second word, will. Which letter do you take out from word will? W and I. Replace them with apostrophe and copy what is left. L, L. Great. So do you understand how do we make the contraction? First word stays the same. We take the letters as I told you, these letters out from these words and replace them with apostrophe. And we have two special contractions for can not, can't, and will not, won't. Now it's your turn to work on this. I will give you some time to complete it. If you need to stop the video, complete it on your own, and then I will give you the answers. Stop the video. Okay, here come the answers. He and is, we take I away, replace it with apostrophe. Did and not, we take the O away, replace with apostrophe. Could and not, we take the O away, replace with apostrophe. Was and not, take the O away, replace with apostrophe. He and will, oops, that is wrong. I didn't see that well. Okay, that is wrong. He, we will copy he, right? And then which letters do we take from will? W and I. So replace them with apostrophe and copy what is left. He will, he'll. I am. Take the A away, replace it with apostrophe. They are, take the A away, replace with apostrophe. We have, take H and A away, replace with apostrophe. And the next page, cannot is the special one, can't. You have, take the H and A away, replace it with apostrophe. Will and not is the special one, will and not is won't. Do and not, take the O away, replace with apostrophe. It is, take the I away, replace it with apostrophe. You will, take W and I away, replace with apostrophe. And the last one, ta-da, did and not, didn't. We had it once before. So it's easy. Now underline the words that can be joined together in the contraction and then write the contraction on the line. Let's go and find the words that could be contractions. We will see you at English class next week. Which words can be joined together? We and will. The contraction will be will. Great. He is almost 21 years old. Which two words can we join together? He is. And the contraction will be his. Take the I away. Very good. Number 3. I am 3 years older than him. Which two words can we join together? Where is the pronoun and the linking verb? I am. And how will we make the contraction? I am. I have spent most of my money. Where is the pronoun and the linking or helping verb? I and have. Let's put them together. I've. You should not be late for school again. Which two words can we put together? The negatives. Should and not. Take the O away and make shouldn't. I promise you that we will have fun at the show. Which pronoun with the linking verb can I put together? Helping verb. We and will. Take the W and I away and form the contraction. They came late, but they are leaving soon. Where are the pronouns with the helping verb that we can put together? They are. Very good. Form the contraction, taking the A away. She asked me to stay, but I will not stay late. Where are the words that we can put together? Now, this is tricky because you have two choices, but I told my students, in this case, when you have two choices, I prefer the negative contraction. So, will not. Of course, you can choose also I will, but I prefer the negative contraction. Will not, won't. I won't stay late. Okay, and the last part, we need to add the apostrophe. Where is it missing? Apostrophes are missing. We need to put the place apostrophe in places. I'll play with the puppies. They are so much fun to play with. Where shall I put the missing apostrophes? I'll, it's short for I will. I will play with the puppies. They're so much fun. They're. They are so much fun. The apostrophe between they and are. See the pronoun. After the pronoun, you should put the apostrophe. Also here you have I. After the I, you should put the apostrophe. Haven't you finished your homework yet? Haven't is missing the apostrophe because haven't is short for have not. So apostrophe is replacing the missing O. Aren't you coming with me today? Aren't, because it is short for are not. And missing apostrophe should replace the O. It'll be fun. It'll be so much fun. It'll. It's short for it will. After the pronoun it, put the apostrophe. My dad won't be home for dinner. Where is the missing apostrophe? Won't, which is short for will not. Contraction comes after N. Contraction. Apostrophe. Apostrophe comes after N. I'm talking too much and then I'm confusing my words. Okay, next sentence. He's working late. Missing apostrophe will go right here because it's short for he is working late. He's working late. My brothers aren't behaving today, but they are tired. Where should we put apostrophe? We have one here, but one more is missing. There there. After the pronoun before re. My sister can't walk yet, but she is trying to. Can't, very good, you found it. And she is trying to. She is missing missing apostrophe. There is also missing comma if you want to add it in there. I won't swim in deep water. It wouldn't be safe. We have one here, but one more is missing. In the word won't, apostrophe right here. Okay, did you do it? Great. Clap for yourself. That's the pronouns revision. I hope you understand these lessons. These are revisions. You did many of these worksheets. You maybe even remember some of these questions. But repeating, it's good because when you repeat things, you will learn. And when you learn, you will become good. And when you are good, you will do very good in the exams. And I will be very happy. So, yeah, thank you for today. Thank you so much. That's it. Bye bye, everyone.